feel like I should be at a horse track right now drinking this. All of it. Oh my God, it is so good. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready. It is time for your drink of the week. Okay, so I tasted this drink the other day from my aunt. So Aunt Kim, thank you. Today, we are making what I am calling a Little Kim's Collins, okay? It's a twist on a Tom Collins, all right, but it's going to be like a slushie. We only need 3 ingredients. That's it. Super easy, okay? Beefeaters Gin, lemonade concentrate, and 1 can of beer. Today's episode is brought to you by our friends out in Countryside at Main Street Wines and Spirits. Head on over there for all of your wine and spirit endeavors. Ask for Nancy. You won't leave disappointed. Let's get going. You're going to make this in a blender. First thing you're gonna do, take your lemonade concentrate, dump her on in. Next, you are going to do 1 cup of gin. And then lastly, 1 can of a delicious Miller Lite. Add tray of ice. Hit blend. Grab your glass of choice because we're being super fancy right now. We're gonna do this in a coupe glass. Pour on in. Add a little lemon wheel for garnish, okay? And there you have it. Ladies and gentlemen, your drink this week, a Little Kim's Collins.